What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, RJ Car Review. Hope you guys are staying healthy, staying safe. I know I am. I'm your boy Ricky. So today we're doing a quick maintenance wash on the Shelby. It's been sitting outside in the rain for weeks. I want to say about 3 to 4 weeks. I haven't washed the car. It's extremely dirty, so it definitely needs this maintenance wash. And also I want to show you guys some of the new product that has picked up and some of the old products that I've been using. So let's jump right into it. All right, guys, so this is the Sun Joe 3000 power washer. I just picked up off of Amazon. I've used it so far on the Ultima. It does a great job for the price. This will be the first time with me using it on the Shelby. Also picked up this power washer. Actually comes with a 25 feet hose. So I also picked up the extension hose, which rounds out to be about 50 feet, which I actually needed really bad. Also picked up some quick connectors, quick disconnectors. And let's jump into some of the products that I've been using and some of the new products that I'm going to be using. Also picked up the MTM foam gun, foam cannon. I got this as altogether for a really good price. So that's the reason why I bought one of the best product out there. I could have got something a little bit cheaper, but the price for these two, it was a really good deal, so that's why I picked it up. So here's some of the old products that I've been using. I've been using the polishing soap on my exhaust tips since I purchased the car. So I had this about 2 years, still have a lot of product left over, and it works extremely well. This product works really well. Also the Colonite, I want to shout out a YouTuber out there, Auto Fanatic. He had the same car as mine, same color, same everything, and I watched a lot of his videos and he used a lot of these products, and that's why I've been using this product, the Colonite 915. I've been using this since I purchased the car. For 2 years now, I've been using this product. I use it roughly about every 6 months. Chemical Guys Silk Shine, this product I also had for about 2 years. I just ran out and I just bought another bottle. This also works really well. You do not have to use a lot of this product. I mean, 1 or 2 sprays for each tire and you're good. And it dries, and the tires look extremely wet, but it's not splashy wet like, you know, your old school tire shine products. Chemical Guys Honeydew Snow Foam, this will be the first time, like I said, using it on the Shelby. I've used this on the Ultima, did a pretty good job. This is one of my favorite. Also shout out to Auto Fanatic. This is one of my favorite car soap right now. This is the Chemical Guys Gloss Works Auto Wash. When you use this soap, it feels like the car has been waxed over and over and over again. It just feels like the sponge just glides over the car. Works extremely well. I've also been using the Adams car shampoo, and that's pretty much it. Nothing crazy, you know. I'm not a detailer or anything like that. I just love washing my car, keeping it clean. I love maintaining my wife's car and also my daily driver, which is the Ultima. So let's look at the car and see how dirty it is. Now, it's been sitting outside for the last couple of weeks. Haven't been keeping it in the garage, so it's been burning up in the sun, and the birds got me bad last night. So this is what the tires, this is what the rims look like. Extremely dirty. You can see, you know, with the big brakes, you got a lot of brake dust, and you could definitely see how dirty this thing is. Look at that, man. I think I could spell my name in here. Let's see. All right, CKY. There we go. So extremely dirty. We're going to get the car all washed up and clean and back to normal. I think it's supposed to rain. Hope it doesn't, but I think it's supposed to rain. Got the Durango sitting there, and yeah, we're gonna get the car all cleaned up and put it in the garage because I think it's supposed to rain later on. And you can see, I'm going to show you before and after. Look at my exhaust tips, extremely dirty. See how that looks. Once I use that polishing soap, comes right off. Car still looks good though. All right, let's jump into this maintenance wash. Alright guys, so first foam car wash, maintenance wash in a long time, in about 3 or 4 weeks. Haven't washed the car, it's been sitting in the rain, and all the product that I use works really well. You can see I got a lot of trees around my house, and of course this is what happens. Leaves just keep falling on the car, so I'm putting it in the garage because it would look like a mess tomorrow morning when I come out. So you can see the car looks nice and shiny, back to what it used to looking like. And that's pretty much it, guys. So thanks for watching, and happy washing your Shelby or whatever car you got. See you guys in the next video, man. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, hit that bell notification so you guys will be notified every time I put up a video. See you guys in the next video, man. Thanks for watching, man. Peace.